Bless up, y'all. Bless up, bless up, bless up. The girl is just outside. I hear some water. I'm trying to be nosy and see where it come from at a little park, Freeman Park. Believe it, y'all. Oh, you can actually go. Oh my God, you can go swimming in the creek, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, that's awesome. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that waterfall? That's beautiful, isn't it? Wow, look at there. Y'all see all that? That's fine. Yeah, it looks like you're in the woods and everything. Trees all around. You got plenty of shade. You got stuff down there. People actually sitting up and they actually having a good time, y'all. See?